Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So in this video, guys, we're gonna go through yesterday's price action on AMC. We're gonna see what happened. We finished the day almost in the green, but the candle we have is a hammer. It's a green candle. It's a reversal candle. So let's analyze everything that happened on Friday and see what can happen next. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so here we go. AMC chart, daily time frame. Let me remove the Bollinger Bands for now. So let me quickly sum up what I was saying in my last video, and then I'm saying on my Discord, guys, every day for quite some time, is that we were not ready to rebound. We needed to see a strong victory of bulls. We needed to see some negative beta taking place with the market probably coming from margin calls, guys. And we've seen this, I think, for the first time on Friday. So I was waiting to see all the signals that usually occur in a reversal before turning bullish. And I'm bullish on the long run, but you guys know that on the short term, I was not that bullish for the past few weeks. Since we broke out from this triangle here, guys, it was just, we're in full control. So what happened here? First, let's analyze what the information we get from the momentum. So as you can see, I have here the RSI and here the MACD. We have the market here between December 14th and now making lower lows. All right, we went from 20 to 16 and the momentum is for now going higher. I mean, not the RSI but the MACD. So we have a bit of a divergence, a bullish divergence on the MACD. We don't have it on the RSI. Then let's see if this move is complete or not, because this is what we need to know for reversal to happen. We first need the bears to be satisfied. So are they satisfied? I mean, we can check if the targets are reached. So I measure, we are, I think, in a Y wave of the WXY correction we are in for the past 9 months, guys. And in this Y wave, we're developing, doing an ABC. So the A wave is here, guys. A, B, C, okay. And we can measure the relation between the A wave and the C wave, applying fibs. So you measure the A wave, you apply it to the top of the B wave, and you see where the fib ratio are bringing you. So if I do this here, I take this whole wave because this is the maximum point I have here, and I have the 0.618 that is coming to 17.2. So, I mean, fibs are just areas. This is roughly where we went. So bears might be already full satisfied. They made enough money on the smooth down, so they would probably start to take profits. So I think that this is what we have seen. Look at what we have here, guys. I'm going to analyze this move on the hourly time frame very soon, but first we have for the first time a green candle that trapped a lot of bears, because as you can see here, the tail is long. We went to 16, we filled the gap, guys. There was a gap here that got filled. So in my analysis, I was saying that all the area between 17 and 15, 14.5, which is here, you can see we have some highs. And in the past, I've shown you guys this already before. We had a lot of reaction at 14.5 as well. Here you see in 2018, guys. All right. So long time ago. So this whole area is a support area. Okay. We went there. We filled the gap. We bounced back. The move, guys, here is a 10% move, I think. All right. From the lows to the close, it's 10%. All right. So we just came up 10% since the middle of the day on Friday. So now I think those are profit taking about for shorts, and it's also margin calls. I'm going to show you why. So if you go on an hourly time frame, you go to hourly time frame and you check when was this rebound happening. So I'm in France right now, so it was 4 p.m. for me, so it was 10 a.m. in the US. So for me it's 16. All right, so 4 p.m. all right, we have this massive move up. Okay, now I check the SPY, guys. So by the way, go check my analysis I did yesterday on the SPY, guys, because this is all related. We are, I think, entering a corrective phase. We are in the A wave in the SPY. Since we broke out from this long-term trend, the B wave is coming. So the B wave is going to be bullish. And if the SPY is bullish, you know, guys, that AMC would be bullish. But usually before the strong run-ups on AMC, we see a negative beta first happening. I was telling you guys that those margin calls, they happen whenever the global market is breaking some levels that we don't expect it to break, right? So that, you know, surprise, we are actually going lower. And so you guys, hedge funds, you need to cut some of your positions that consume a lot of margin, like a short on AMC or GME, by the way. And here you can see this level is 441. All right. 441 is the 200-day moving average. Everybody was saying we're going to rebound here. Okay, I personally had some short positions and I still have some short positions, but I took a little bit of profits. What I mean is, I think the story is that we were going through this level and then see some margin calls on AMC. And so 441, we said, then I go on hourly time frame. And yeah, exactly. So this is why I was surprised, because it's a green candle. But guys, it's a green candle that went through 441. At what time? At 4 p.m. All right. France time. So we went through, then we rebounded. True. But first we went through these levels for the first time. All right. And this is exactly when AMC started to move up. Okay. So you can check it by yourself. You're going to see. So the negative beta took place. Guys, you remember when I posted that on Twitter? Okay, you remember the spreadsheet? It's my spreadsheet, guys. And we've seen 5 times in the past. We have seen strong moves up occurring on AMC when SPY was breaking some major levels. All right. So this is what we're having actually right now. Bam, bam, bam. So here, as you can see, guys, okay, bam, AMC. Okay, I'm building the correlation, guys. Let me retrieve the data. Okay, bam, bam, bam. Look, it's coming. All right, guys. So you see, this is my chart. And we have each time, bam, the green curve is the AMC monthly return that I smoothed because I'm using the monthly correlation. And I just check whenever AMC is moving strongly up, what is the correlation doing? And you can see the correlation in blue is dropping, AMC is going up. Here the correlation, for now it's not dropping, it's positive, right? It's positive because you don't have the strong move up yet. But let's see what's going to happen. For now it's positive because AMC still was closed the day negatively yesterday. So it's a positive correlation, but we have this information. All right. So we have the information that we wanted to see, this negative beta, almost negative beta. We don't have it. And the candle is green. So it's a hammer, but we still close the day negatively. So it's not perfect. Look at the volume. I'm building a course, guys, by the way. It's going to be amazing. It's been like few hundred hours. I'm working on it and it's going to come soon. In this course, it's about breakouts. I'm actually building a method to know if we are in an environment where breakouts are going to be successful. And for this, you need to analyze the volume, the volatility, and the momentum. So the momentum analysis, I just did it. All right. We can see the market making lower lows, and the market for now is not making, the momentum is not making higher lows. I mean, the MACD is, but not the RSI. So the momentum is not perfect, but it's okay. Then we can check if we have some hidden bearish divergences. All right. So and we of course don't want to see it. So bearish hidden divergence is whenever in a move down, here we are in a move down, the market making low highs. You have the momentum that is making higher highs. All right. So that it's reloading energy and that you can go lower. And here we don't have this momentum making higher highs. All right. We have the momentum making lower highs, both on MACD and on RSI. Does it mean the move down is going to stop? No, it just means that we are in a trend that is going too fast, too quickly without breathing on the upside. I mean, the trend is going on the downside, but we don't breathe on the upside. So it just means that this trend cannot be sustainable, that at some point it's going to break. All right. And we are monitoring what information can give us this first signal of a trend shift. And a hammer reversal candle is one information. Then we check the volume. Very important. For a good reversal to happen, we first need to have low volume, then increasing volume on the upside. Okay, so here we have those low volumes. I mean, we have here the strong volume on the last day, but we don't have the low volume before. What does it mean? It means that I think we might have some nice move ups coming, maybe tomorrow. I mean, on Monday, maybe, you know, plus 10, plus 20%, maybe something like this. But I think like the most important trend line is this one. We probably gonna need some time to consolidate. You can check the volatility as well, guys. This is very important to know if we are ready to reverse. For now, look at the Bollinger Bands. They are widening, all right? We want to see them narrowing. You can check each time before every strong reversal, they were very narrow. Here, very narrow. Here, very narrow. Okay, it's like this. When they're not narrow, it just means that there's going to be more ups and downs. But now I think an up is coming, but then we're probably going to consolidate. To conclude, negative beta almost here. Strong day, strong volume on the day of a hammer candle, that is a reversal candle. We fill the gap. The bears might be satisfied. The fib ratio are telling us that it might be the end of this move down. Once again, it might as well go to 15. I don't think we will go to 15 now. I personally sold some 15 puts on February and bought some 25 calls, so that even if we close at 16 on the 18th of February, I didn't lose money on this trade. And if we go strongly higher, I make money. So this is, I think, a nice trade to do, selling the 15 puts instead of buying shares. And yeah, and we want to see this breakout happening, guys. So it's going to be around 22. Okay, this is the important level, and ideally we would like some consolidation on low volume first, and then a breakout on strong volume. All right, increasing volume. This is what we need to happen for AMC to make a sustainable reversal. I'm gonna update you later on what's gonna happen next, but basically my scenario is I don't think we go to 15 anymore. All right, I think we're done. I think we reached the lows. I really do hope so. So my scenario is that we go here, we consolidate a little bit, we break out, we consolidate more, then we come here, then here probably some up and down, and bam, okay? Alright guys, so it's been a long way down. I know, guys, I'm here, I'm with you guys, I'm in this trade as well. I'm doing my best, guys, to give you the best analysis I can. All right, let's see. I don't know what will happen. I just know that this movement is still strong and that some beautiful things are probably awaiting us. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.